Create an account in gramfree.net. Viewers, first of all, go to your browser, the type for gramfree.net. I'm giving the link in the description of this video. Here you have to face a two-step browser checkup, security checkup. Just check it the boxes here. Okay, done. Then click for the sign up button here. Choice for you can continue with Google or continue with Facebook. Here we are choosing a Google account. Uh, uh, your Gmail ID here, password of your Gmail ID here, and then go for next. After click next, your gramfree.net account has been created and you will automatically welcome to your gramfree.net dashboard. Thank you.